Hello beautiful community. This week I went to the farmers market and I thought I'd try a little experiment. I found that some of the times when I go to the market, some of the pieces that I sell, pieces that I don't really like, and sometimes I've saved some of the pieces from the fire. I've taken them to the market and I've sold them. And I thought I'd try a little experiment with this root ball that I got from Liz. So what I thought I'd do is make a little vase out of it and just tidy up the top of it. Leave it all natural and just see if anyone would buy it as an art piece or whether I should have just put it into the fire. So I straightened it up in the bandsaw and then put it on the lathe, and just using the 1/2 inch spindle gouge I formed a top of the vase and then coated it with tung oil. It didn't take too long to do, and I thought I'd take it to the market and put it out the front and see what sort of response I would get. This month's market was a twilight market. It was the Christmas twilight market. So I got there fairly early and set up. I was missing some of the tablecloths, so I got some cloth from the local haberdashery and I borrowed my dear mother's sewing machine. It's a Singer and it's got a bit of age about it. I remember my dear mother up late at night mending clothes and making dresses and that sort of stuff in my youth many years ago, and I've used it before, and I'm always impressed by the ingenuity of the makers of the sewing machine. So I was able to sew the hems of the cloth, and I had them finished a while ago so I could put them onto the tables and make it a bit more presentable. So it was a successful market. There was a lot of people there. It was beautiful weather, very nice weather, and we were able to sell a few things. Unfortunately I didn't sell the vase, so the little experiment that I did didn't work this time. There was a few people that liked it. There was one lady who was going to buy it, but I think she was trying to be nice to me. Anyway, that's all for this video. I'll see you next time. Cheerio.